Hello, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 5th, 2023. And I've already solved 3 puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars, the Sudoku with 4 stars, and the binary. So 1 puzzle is left. Jigsaw Sudoku, yes. Number. This will be number. Let me position the camera. Number 7046. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 16. Well, the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Should be an easy one, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Only 1 single box. Nope. 2 single boxes. Always a 1. Here 1, there 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I see here 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? See here, triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. And this triple box should be there, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here a quadra box? I see here a quadra box in the L shape, here a quadra box in the L shape. Overlook this triple box. We go back to the triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, 1 and a 2, well, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box is always a 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Now we can go to the quadra box. We have 2 quadra boxes in the L shape, and when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box is always a 5. Here also the quadra box, the inside box is always a 5. Well, here cannot fill the numbers. Here, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy now is to look for shapes. Look for shapes, look for shapes or figures, structures or constructions, whatever you name it, and that you need to recognize. Yeah, that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the T shape. Only 1 T shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape then. Here. Draw this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. And here another one, upside down. This box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah, another one. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 2 or a 3 here. Okay, and do we have more of other kind of shapes here? The L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape upside down here, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Only one L shape in this puzzle. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 2 goes there. Then. Let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. And this box. Wait. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then. Yeah, then. These are 3 boxes. So around a 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 3, but also those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. Then this box can be a 3. So the 3 in this area could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. So 1 number left, the number 2, and is connected with that box. So we also have 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadro box. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Okay. Then. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. This box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. So 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Is connected with that box should be also 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. These two boxes can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area from us 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4. Can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as appear. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left. In this area for numbers 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. Then. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be here. These 3 boxes, so the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 supposed to be here then. Alright. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape, should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. I think this box should be a 3. Because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3. Can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. Then these two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and the final number in this quadra box for number 2. Finish in 13 minutes. Well. 4 stars. No. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So, well, please with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Jigsaw Sudoku, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 star Sudoku. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the quintuplet, a.k.a. Samurai Sudoku. All kinds of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and you will find them all if you subscribe. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. See you tomorrow on a Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.